Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3355. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to install the fine ink cartridges and also load the paper. This printer uses ink cartridges. Canon PG545 is black, and Canon CL546 is colored one. So from the control panel, you will see a light is highlighting, a warning light, and also showing us E. What that means is the ink cartridges are not installed yet. So we're going to install the ink and also load the paper. Once we install the ink, the light, this warning light will go off. So to install the ink, we need to open the ink access door. So open up the ink access door. The ink access door position itself to the center. The colored ink cartridge, if you have a new one, you need to remove the plastic that covers this chip. So once you remove the plastic, then you go in. The colored one goes to the left. So once you go in straight, then pull up the ink to position itself. So go in straight, then pull it up. Do the same thing to the black. Go in, then pull it up. If you want to remove it, just put one finger on top of each cartridge, pull it down to remove it. Pull it up. So, and also check to make sure they are in and they are not falling off. So this is how to install the fine cartridges. Then close the ink access door. Then give the printer time. And the light is gone off. So the light that was flashing here is no longer an error. It was showing us earlier. It's no longer on the display. The light is gone off. Now what we want to do is to show you how to load paper. First of all, you need to adjust the paper. Adjust this paper guide to the left. So if you are loading 4x6, bring the guide to 4x6. Bring this guide to A5. Bring the guide to B5. Then bring the guide to A4. And bring this guide to letter. So depending on particular size of the paper. So what we want to load now is A4 paper. I'm also going to show you how to load photo paper. So take decent amount of A4 paper. Then go at the back. This is A4, then adjust it. This is A4. If you look, you will see A4 is on A4. So this is how to load A4 paper. And also you need to select paper select button to confirm it. So once you put the paper, you select this button to A4, then select OK to confirm it. So this is how to load A4 paper. Now I want to show you how to load 4x6 photo paper. So take 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the smooth part, the print area, need to face up. You can see this part is the rough part. So the printable area need to face up. So we're going to remove A4 paper, then load 4x6. So take the printable area, go in, then adjust the guide. So this is 4x6. The printable area is up, facing up. The rough part is at the back. So this is how to load 4x6. And once you load the paper, you also need to change the size to 4x6 or 10 by 15 centimeter. 4x6, 10 by 15 centimeter, then you select OK. It will show you kg 4 by 6, 10 by 15 centimeter paper. So this is how to load the paper, A4 or 4 by 6 photo paper on this printer. Thank you very much indeed.